Let's talk about the types of hybridization in a molecule or ion. Step 1. Add the number of valence electrons of all the atoms present in the given molecule or ion. That's one thing. In case of a cation, subtract the number of electrons equal to the charge of the cation, and in case of an anion, add number of electrons equal to the charge of the anion. Let's move on to the types of hybridization in a molecule or ion. This is step 3. If the result obtained in step 2 is less than 8, divided by 2 and find the sum of the quotient and remainder. If the result obtained in step 2 lies between 9 and 56, divided by 8 and find the first quotient. Divide the remainder R1 by 2 and find the second quotient Q2. Add all the quotients and the final remainder R2. Let the final result obtained in 1 or 2 be X. The type of hybridization is decided by the value of X. The value of X is 2. It's sp hybridization, 3 sp2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is the type of hybridization. Here is the example. I got a NO2 ion. The valence electron for nitrogen is 5 and oxygen is 2. So the total valence electron is 5 plus 6 into 2. So 6 into 2 is 12 plus 5 it's 17. Since I got a charge of -1, the total electrons is 17 plus 1, which is equal to 18. Now I'm trying to divide it 18 divided by 8, which will give 2 into the quotient, which is 6, plus 2 into the remainder, which is 2. So 2 into 6, so sorry, 2 into 8, it's 16, plus 2 into 1, that's your 2. Now we got the remainder 2, which I am trying to divide it by 2. I got 2, which I am trying to divide it by 2, I got 1 as quotient, 0 as remainder. Now the value of X is 2 plus 1 plus 0, so it's 3. Obviously the hybridization is sp2. Q1 is the first quotient, Q2 is the second quotient, R1 is the first remainder and R2 is the second remainder. Here is a typical example for sp hybridization orbitals, and this is a typical example for the particular hybridization. So sp2 orbital is SO2, typical example. For sp3 is NH3, sp3d is PCl5, sp3d2 orbital is SF6, and for sp3d3 orbital is IF7. So these are the typical example. You can make a note of it. And this is for sp orbital is Be, so it's beryllium fluoride, BF2. That's it. Thanks for watching on GTech Techno Solution product on hybridization.